Students of class 3, this is your new GK class and today I am going to discuss with you regarding seasons. So students, as you have learned in your science or EVS classes that we enjoy in India monsoon type of climate, right? So what is this monsoon type of climate? Here in this monsoon type of climate, we are experiencing basically 6 seasons, that is summer, winter, monsoon and autumn, late autumn and spring, right? So in Hindu calendar, it has been divided in the same way in 6 parts. Like summer is called Grishma, monsoon is called Varsha, winter is called Shishir and autumn is called Hemant and late autumn is known as Sharad. Okay. So here we are going to discuss some facts on seasons, what we generally know, or maybe some of the points are unknown which we will know today. So let us start. So page number 13, please open students, and here we will put T for true and F for false. So read this sentence about seasons in India and write T for true and F for false. So I will be writing the same one, T for true and F for false, for all of you. So the first one, we observe Independence Day during the winter season in India. So can you tell me when is the Independence Day celebrated? Obviously in August. And do you experience winter in August? No, it's 15th August is not winter, it's late autumn. So number 1 will be F, that is false. Number 2, during the winter season, the current year ends and the new year starts. So during the winter season, that means Shishir, and the winter season starts from November, right, and it exists up to February. So during the winter season, when the winter season duration is going on, we meet with the month of December, that is 31st December according to the English calendar, and here starts the new year 1st January. Yes, so this is true that during the winter season the current year ends and a new year starts. So here comes the point true. In spring, flowers bloom and new green leaves grow. Is it correct? Yes, spring is the season of new growth. All of us know. So it's a true statement. So here comes number 3 and it's true. Number 4. After spring comes winter with short days and long nights. So do you think after spring season comes the winter season? No, after spring season comes the autumn season and then after the late autumn. So how can we get short days and long nights? We get short days and long nights in winter season, that is from December. So this 4th point is totally false. Next comes, in summer, we should wear dark colored clothes to keep us cool. Is it scientific? No, scientifically and logically also, in summer seasons, we should wear light color clothes to keep ourselves cool. And especially it is what? Yes, white color. So, number 5, again the point given is false. Number 6 comes, in the summer months, the sun makes it difficult for the farmers to work in the field. Yes, it's true. In the hottest month of the year, our farmers grow crops for us, and really it is very difficult for them to work in the open field when you and me are sitting in our air conditioner rooms. Right? So, obviously it's a true fact. Number 7, mangoes ripen towards the end of the summer and at the beginning of the monsoon. So, when do we eat mangoes? Obviously, mangoes starts ripening at the end of the summer, and as soon as the monsoon season starts, like now, we are enjoying mangoes. So, it is a true fact. So number 7 is true. Next comes number 8. During the rainy season, we enjoy the festival of colors called Holi. Do you enjoy Holi during the rainy season? No. We enjoy Holi roundabout in April or March, right? March or April. So it's not a Holi season. It's, yes, end of winter and starting of, yes, spring. So it's a false statement. Next comes 9. Republic Day is celebrated in winter in India. So Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. Very good. And is it winter at that time? Yes, we celebrate Republic Day with our sweaters, right? So it's a true statement. And next comes number 10, that is autumn is the harvest season for farmers. Do you think autumn is the harvest season for the farmers? Because in the autumn season, what we know that trees shed their leaves. And if trees shed their leaves, there is no rainfall, no moisture, then how a crop can grow? So it's a false statement. So number 10 is a false statement. So all of you, please learn it, enhance your IQ level with your general knowledge, and I will be present before you with your next class next Saturday. Thank you.